Good morning, teacher. My name is Sandra Gallegos. I am 10 year class B. I am going to register, and they at the beach. Maria and her family decided to spend they day and they ran straight into the water desert present rally and the beach chairs reading book and listening to the winds at lunchtime. They enjoyed their panic after lunch. They played and game of beach volleyball. Marian's time go it was a great day. It was the and summit the August Maria. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class.